UJolidee Matongo, the son of the late Edward Matongo, a migrant from Zimbabwe, do hereby accept the nomination for the position of Executive Mayor for City.
Umnumzana UJolidee Matongo lelabekwa phambili igama lakhe ngumbutho we-ANC emva koko wanyulwa njengosodolophu omtsha wesixeko sase-Rhawutini. Lo kaMatongo ubalule izinto ezingundoqo azakugxila kuzo kubunkokheli bakhe kulomasipala.
The priorities, top of them is financial sustainability. How do we ensure that the city of Johannesburg is financially sustainable so that it is able to meet its obligations? We buy water from Rand Water, we buy electricity from Eskom, but we also have to deliver all of the other services. In order for us to do all the things, the grand plans that we have, it is not possible if we do not have the financial resources.
Uphinde waqinisekisa abantu besisixeko ukuba uzakhokhelisa ulawulo olululo.
Good governance is critical because you can have all the resources that you need, but if the resources are not deployed or used in a manner that ensures that services are delivered to the people of Johannesburg, we are going to have a problem. We are going to have unauthorized, irregular and fruitless and wasteful expenditure.
Uthi baza kuqinisekisa kuba kuvulwa amathuba emisebenzi kwesi sixeko.
As a country, in particular as a city, we are faced with the problem of joblessness. So it's part of the things that we are zooming into as part of continuing the work already begun by the administration of the late Executive Mayor, Comrade Makhuba.
Esisihlalo sikasodolophu besingenamntu emva kokusweleka kukamnumzana kuka-Geof Makhuba nobengusodolophu wesisixeko. Kusenjalo uMatongo uthi kuyekudala uza kudibanisa ikomiti yakhe kasodolophu.